Quicken Classic is a powerful personal finance software that helps you manage your money, track expenses, create budgets, and plan for the future. Here's how to use Quicken Classic. Download and install. Purchase and download Quicken Classic from the official Quicken website. Follow the installation instructions to set up the software on your computer. Create an account. Open Quicken Classic and create a new account by providing your email address and setting up a password. Set up accounts. Add your bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and investment accounts by selecting Add Account. Enter your financial institution's details and log in to link your accounts. Quicken will import your transactions. Categorize transactions. Quicken Classic automatically categorizes your transactions. Review and adjust these categories to ensure they match your spending habits. Create a budget. Navigate to the Planning tab and select Budgets. Create a new budget by setting spending limits for various categories like groceries, utilities, and entertainment. Quicken will help track your spending against these limits. Track expenses. Regularly update and review your transactions to keep track of your spending. Use the Reports feature to generate detailed reports on your expenses, income, and overall financial health. Set financial goals. Define your financial goals, such as saving for a major purchase, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. Track your progress towards these goals using Quicken's tools. Monitor investments. If you have investments, use Quicken to track your portfolio, monitor performance, and stay updated with market trends. Backup data. Regularly backup your Quicken data to prevent loss. Quicken offers options for both local and cloud backups.